Suppose you see this message here. Okay, Eslint error, no Eslint configuration found. It may be because there really is no configuration in your project, in which case type get gist. Choose A, run Eslint, RC, and prettier. This is in the root of the project that you're working on. Okay, so we'll come back over here, and do you see how now there's suddenly all these files in here that weren't in there before? This is in particular the configuration file that it was asking about. And then if we go back to Control.js, do you notice the message is gone? We're no longer getting a message about Eslint. Okay. So then you can type, back over here, you can type X to exit. If all is gone totally wrong, and it doesn't seem like even that fixes it, there is some possibility that you'll want to go JOU to get over to the utilities directory, then go into the node install directory, and then run Eslint install, and that should fix the problems that you may or may not have. Okay, thank you, bye.